Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you pay with PayPal on Pandabuy. So let's get into our video. So open up Pandabuy. So once you've logged into your account, so just logged into mine. So now what are you going to do? If you want to use PayPal to make payments, so let me first make a purchase. So let's just search for any product or go to just add any product to your cart. So that whatever that you want to make a purchase. So for example, this is fine. So I'll just add this item to my cart by now. Okay, and then okay, that's fine. Let me select it. All right, click on agree by now. Okay, so I'm gonna add it to my cart so that I can get to the payment section. So I'm just waiting for it to load. All right, that's fine. So I've selected my destination country. It's here. So select yours, done. And once you're done with that, I'm gonna go hit on this agree and then hit on submit order. And then next I'm going to get to the yep, all right, okay, so the payment page here. So when I get to the payment page here, so here now, so if you want to pay with PayPal, you simply have to scroll down and choose the PayPal option. So if you're paying by PayPal, so click on the PayPal option, and then what you have to do is simply proceed, and then on your next page here you go to provide your PayPal details. So here, so now here, that's mine here. So now what you're going to do, you're going to log into your PayPal and then just complete the transaction and then finish off the purchase. So that's how you pay with PayPal. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.